The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max's new variable aperture lens may cost Apple more than the camera unit used in current models. Hey Gadinsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Variable aperture has been one of the most persistent iPhone camera rumors of the past few years. Supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo first flagged the feature in late 2024, and it's since been rumored and apparently entered production earlier this year. Unlike the fixed f1.78 aperture found on every iPhone Pro from the 14th till 17th, a variable aperture will physically adjust the size of the lens opening to control how much light reaches the sensor, offering better exposure control and greater flexibility over depth of field. Kuo said that the component usually costs 50% higher than the 7-element plastic lens Apple currently uses in the iPhone 17 Pro's main camera, and Sunny Optical is set to supply Apple between 40 and 50% more. Sunny Optical has also become a new compact camera model supplier for Apple, initially selling the camera for the MacBook Neo, whose shipments have come in significantly better than expected. Looking further ahead, the 2028 iPhone's ultra-wide camera module is expected to swap flip chip packaging to an improved chip-on-board design. A chip-on-board ultra-wide module could be thinner or smaller, leaving more room for other components, or deliver better image quality from the same physical footprint. Besides, from Apple, Kuo says Sunny Optical is also providing component for 2 OpenAI devices, including a smartphone and a pocket or mobile device. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to launch in the fall alongside the first foldable iPhone. For more updates, subscribe to Gadinsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.